Imagine a world where property maintenance is no longer a headache. With Red Team Real Estate, this dream becomes reality. Our comprehensive services ensure your investment is protected and your tenants remain satisfied, all without the usual stress. Emergencies don't wait, and neither do we. Our 24/7 response team is always ready to assist, ensuring tenants receive prompt help. With our easy online request system, you stay informed effortlessly. From plumbing to electrical issues, our team handles it all. Whether it's a routine check or an urgent repair, we've got you covered. Our preventative inspections and move-in/move-out maintenance keep everything running smoothly. Why do property owners choose us? It's simple. We offer fast, reliable repairs by qualified technicians. Our transparent communication keeps you updated with maintenance reports, ensuring tenant satisfaction and peace of mind. Happy tenants mean longer leases and more valuable properties. Our professional and efficient approach guarantees a hassle-free experience for both you and your tenants. That's the Red Team Real Estate promise. With Red Team Real Estate, you get comprehensive maintenance solutions, 24/7 support, and a team you can trust. Our services ensure your property remains in top condition, keeping tenants happy and your investment secure. By choosing us, you're opting for peace of mind and tenant satisfaction. Our transparent communication and reliable repairs make us the right choice for property owners seeking stress-free maintenance. Ready to experience hassle-free property maintenance? Contact Red Team Real Estate today. Your property deserves expert care, and we're here to provide it. Visit our website or call us now to get started.